Okay, so today we're going to talk about Quizlet. I already have my Quizlet made, but if you want to make your own, you have to just make an account, super easy and free, but then you go to create. Right there, you can name it. And then you can enter 5 terms is what they suggest, but you can always add more just by doing add card. So we're going to go back to my study sets. And the ones we're going to look at today is the Chem 125 Exam 2. This is a Quizlet that I actually used to study for my last exam. So what I did was I have flashcards, and then you can just click on that, and then that sort of thing. So Charles's law, collision frequency, that sort of thing. You can go back. You can have like tests, so you can just like fill it out. There's different sorts of options for like how they test you. They have games where you have to like drag it, so collision frequency, that sort of thing, then it goes away. So yeah, that's kind of how it works. You can also export it if you want to put it in a like Google Doc per se. You can edit, share, that sort of thing. Quizlet also has folders, so I would make a new folder. These are my folders from high school, but I could create a new folder and say Chem 125 at Purdue. And then just create the folder, and that would go in there. So these are my folders from high school, and then all of my study sets. So that's how you use Quizlet. Super easy. Hope this was helpful.